Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE V40 Pro and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. The mode doesn't really matter because we will open general settings. However, all we have to do is to tap on this arrow right in the middle in this upper panel. Let me quickly turn on the grid line so you will be able to actually see the difference. So as you can see, we've got the grid line, and after resetting it should disappear. So now all we have to do again is to tap on this arrow here and tap on custom, so the last option. Here we've got reset at the very bottom. Tap on OK. Of course, tap on it and tap on OK to confirm. And as you can see, after getting back to the camera, the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.